Welcome to Balochi Zone. In this video, we will cover the usage of was and where in Balochi language. To say was in Balochi, we would say at, was, at. For example, he was hungry, he was hungry. Or shodig at, or shodigat. Now, how would you say John was hungry? John shodig at. John shodigat. Well done if you got it right. To say where in Balochi, we would say atant. Atant is a combination of at and ant. To say they were hungry, we would say or shodig atant, or shodig atant, or you can say áyán shodig atant. They were hungry. Jack and John were hungry. Jack or John shodig atant. Jack or John shodig atant. Now, how would you say they were not hungry? Pause this video if you need to and take your time. Or shodig naetant. Or shodig naetant. How would you say she was hungry? Or shodig at, or shodigat. Now let's do something different. How would you say I was hungry? I was hungry. If you would have said man shodigat, then you are definitely wrong. And you might be wondering why. Let me explain. At is used for the second person pronouns, as in he, she, it, him, whatever the rest second pronouns you can use. But for the first person pronoun of I, we always use atant. Atant. For example, I was hungry. Man shodig atant. Man shodig atant. I was here. Man eda etant. I was there. Man eda etant. As you can observe, for the first person pronoun of I, we use atant. Now, how would you say I was not there? Man eda naetant. To say eating in Balochi, we would say warag, warag. Now, how would you say I was eating in Balochi? Man warag etant. Man warag etant. How would you say John was eating? John warag at. John waragat. I hope this is not getting too complicated. The thing you need to remember here is for I was, we would always use atant, and for the rest, we use at. There's also a rule we need to be aware of when building sentences with where. For example, atant normally translates to where in Balochi. Atant, where. Can you recall how we said they were hungry? A shodig atant. A shodig atant. Or áyán shodig atant. What about saying Jack and John were hungry? Jack or John shodig atant. Jack or John shodig atant. So far so good. To say we in Balochi, we would say ma. Ma. Now, how would you say we were hungry? If you would have said ma shodig atant, then you are definitely wrong. And let me explain why. Atant is used for all settings except building sentences with we. When it comes to the inclusive we, atant is used in place of atant. To say we were hungry, we would say ma shodig atant. So this is what we need to be aware of. How would you say Kamal and Jamal were here? Kamal ou Jamal est dans atant. So remember, for we use atant, for the rest we always use atant.